Hi, we're going to see how we can install Git on our local computer on Windows. For this one is going to be for Windows machine. Git is going to be it's a kind of a framework. I mean the software which we're going to be using it for collaboration, for code repository, for review, and the like. So in general, when you are working on a team and you want to have the way to collaborate together to work towards one goal, and then everybody is working on their own code, then we should have a way to put it somewhere so that everybody can see the change and can get it, and just they can work on that. So Git is like a little bit more than this one, but in general, we're going to see first how we're going to get the software on our machine, and then we can take it from there. So in order to do that one, you just go ahead to Google, and you will just simply say install Git on Windows, which I have it over here. So the very first one you're going to see is going to be Windows Git SCM, and the URL that you're going to see is going to be git-scm.com /download/win. So if you are on Mac or others, then you're going to have like the corresponding one. Now you want to go to, like, most probably you're going to be like on 64-bit Git for Windows setup. So you're going to go here and then click on that, and it's going to download. It's fairly lightweight kind of application, so it's going to be fast to download. So you're going to open that by just clicking on it. Then you'll get this kind of window which would ask you to, if you are allowing just Windows to install, then you're going to say yes on this. So you're going to have this pop up, then you're going to say simply next, and then most probably you're going to follow with that the normal, the default ones. If you want the desktop to have like a shortcut for it, then you're going to have like the checkbox on this one. If you don't want, then you can check it out, but let's have that one, and then next, and next, and next, and next, and next, next, then install. So I would bit, it's not that far. I mean, it doesn't take that long actually, so it should be fairly fast to install that. We're almost there. Okay, there we go. So we're going to check this one just to see like everything is okay. So the very first one, so that's going to automatically launch it for us once we're done. So we can say next. And then when you see this thing, this kind of window over here, which is going to show you a terminal with the blinking light, then of course this part is going to be just a little bit different for you depending on your own username for your Windows and stuff. But in general, when you see this kind of thing, then you're going to know that this has been properly installed. So I can close this one, I can close this one as well. And if I see this, then you're going to see on the desktop, you're going to have your shortcut over here.